What's going on, Mr. Dave up here at Lions, Tigers, and Bears? It is the beginning of February and we're working on the line exhibit remodel on the water feature and adding some platform areas for the lions to be able to hang out. Maybe have tigers in here sometimes too. They kind of move them around, but I think it's mostly a lion enclosure, and we're trying to revamp this thing, give it a little more character, make it look a little more natural, function better, work better, and not leak. The roof, which is part of the structure, waterfall goes down on both sides, and then interior of this whole thing is sort of like a grotto cave thing, and so it's been leaking pretty bad. So we're going to try and take care of that issue and get it all pretty. So let's take a look and see what we've been doing. So we're adding rebar here. We're going to build out this little edge here to fatten it up, make it a bigger platform area. Also get the waterfall to come down here and do a little bit of zigging and zagging before it gets to the edge here, where then it dumps into the swimming pool. It is pretty deep. It's like 6 foot deep, and so if the tigers like to swim, they could do that. I think lions aren't into swimming underwater too much. This side over here, they're going to actually create a ramp. They've laid it out over here, both to this structure over here and over here. For some of the older lions that just have a difficult time ascending these steps right here, I guess they got arthritis like humans, and struggle with their health in their latter years. So you can see the opening down there, that goes into the cave area. Created this area for the landing area for the ramp to come up and hit and give them a chance to kind of walk around. And this will also be a raised area, again, a place for the lions to hang out. Let's see if I can not kill myself. This is a nice little pond area that goes around and into the pool, so we're going to be keeping that, so that's not too shabby. That little rock there is sort of a little knob, and I've got some rebar in there. I'm going to just extend it up a little bit and change the pitch. Again, lions being able to jump down and move around a little bit is sort of the concept. Give it a little bit more of a compositional kind of look. So this area here was a big pond basin here. The drain pipe we extended up, that's a 1 inch right there. We used rubble from the demo. This had a piece of concrete mortar across it. They laid a grid and then it bent like this, and they put cement on it. It wasn't even epoxied into the structure. Pretty amazing, but it did in fact stick pretty good. I didn't notice any cracks on the outer perimeter of it, so it must have expanded and contracted at about the same time. We used the same thing, demoed debris, concrete. We even used bags of concrete that we had here on the premise, as well as our house. We had 8 bags of concrete that got rained on and turned hard. We got some more here that are left over, and we're going to use those, take the paper off and put it inside these structures here, getting that another platformy thing, getting the overhang rock for the entrance to the lion's den. I'm going to take a diamond grinder, I think, and cut the edge and blunt it a little bit. This whole feature is very roundy, and there's no real hard angle, so I don't want it to look too out of place. So kind of using what's here. So this is another thing we're going to be building up and filling up with concrete as well. You can see there's the landing over here on this side that we did. Again, the pegboard is super easy. We epoxied steel, made a structure, then we just tie this together, and we use those spacers. Call them dobies if you buy them at the store, but you can also use just rubble and pieces of concrete when you're demoing, breaking things up, which is what we did. And get your spacers. You want to keep the steel off the board so you have that coverage. And so this will be a nice little place for the ramp to finish into, which is going to be cool. This little pond basin, I'm not sure what it's about. It sort of drains, sort of. So we're going to be trying to puzzle through how this thing was created. We've got our stockpiled concrete here, and got our whole site kind of getting dialed in. But that's the overall look, and we're trying to improve on it and make it more beauteous. So anyway, Mr. Dave here on the rock pile up here in Alpine, California. Another beautiful day in Southern California in the middle of February. For all of you out there in frozen land back east, it gets pretty rough out here. The 60s, full sun. What are you gonna do? That's probably why I still live here. because California's lost its mind as far as Sacramento goes. But that's another topic for another day. So anyways, you guys be thankful and grateful and forgiving. Get those qualities dialed in yourself, and you will be a better person. The world will be a better place. So for more information on how we do this, you can go to davehenderson.podia, Podia.com, davehenderson.podia.com, and you get some free stuff there, free PDF downloads and the like, and then some other stuff there as well, my blogs and links to other platforms. I don't think I've been banned anywhere yet. I think I'm trying to stay pretty chill and just deal with the rock work. It's cool. And so you can go to www.daverhenderson.com, and if you can hear that roar, that is lions doing their roar at the end of the day. There's a couple males, and they do their roar. I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty wild working up here, pretty awesome. Anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. God bless y'all. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love someone. Take your stupid mask off and smile at every opportunity that you can. All right? All right. Have a great day, and God bless you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.